All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, to the Chupacabra tutorials channel. I'm your host, Larry, and today I'm going to show you how to turn off Microsoft's new fancy audio enhancements features in the event that your headset or your microphone is having some issues. Maybe you noticed some glitchiness recently, or just some outright weird noises happening with it. And sometimes that can be caused by Microsoft's new AI-powered tool, which is supposed to enhance your audio by making it have an improved clarity, improved surround sound, all of those things through the audio enhancement tool. And I'm here to show you how to turn that off. So all you have to do is open up your settings and then go to System. And then inside of Sounds is where you'll find your audio devices like you could hear stuff with, and also that you can be heard with, like your microphone. So just find those different items, like we'll start with my microphone. And to disable this feature, all you have to do is go down to the bottom of this page, and then here you'll see audio enhancements. It's probably set to device default or voice clarity. Go ahead and turn that off. And then after you've done that, you can go back to your speakers and do the same thing because it works for both. So you'll see that down here at the bottom. It says default for the device. So go ahead and set that to off. And when it is turned on, it'll actually tell you what it's currently affecting and why. So this one's trying to boost the home theater effects, which include my surround sound. And that's it. You've got those both turned off. Now you don't have to worry about it. It's most notable because they can conflict with different sound removing drivers. I know that there's the fancy one that works with Discord voice chat, which can break when you mix it with too many other sound removers. And my Yeti GX also has that feature built into its drivers, and those things can all conflict and cause you to not be able to be heard. It turned my microphone off, basically. It basically muted all incoming sounds, labeling them as problems. And I mean, all sorts of things can happen with something like that. So just keep that in mind. So that'll be it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.